Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is I am coming to interview one wonderful guy in the Philippines. Anyway, what's your name?
My name is Emmanuel Mwango.
Oh, okay. Emmanuel, from where?
Nigeria, Imo State.
Oh, okay. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, thanks, you too.
Okay. So what are you doing in the Philippines?
I'm studying.
Oh, okay. You're studying in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Why did you choose to study in the Philippines? Why not Nigeria?
Anyway, I prefer here and I like to study. You know, when I was small and I have the dream coming to Philippines to study here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how long have you been in the Philippines?
Yeah, getting to 4 years now.
Oh, okay. Nice one. Nice one. And how has been life in the Philippines?
I can say not really easy like that. You know, you have to try harder because in a place that is not your country, you have to follow up in anything that comes in life. And again, you ought to pray and push the life as it is.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, you've been in the Philippines, studied in the Philippines for some time now. What are the challenges? Okay, go ahead.
There are many challenges man faces in life.
Oh, okay.
You know, both studies and how to survive and every other thing. Yeah,
okay.
there are many challenges.
Oh, okay. Nice one. So, what are some of the challenges?
Like the weather, going to school, the stress, and all the rest.
Okay, so what are some of the challenges?
Yeah, there are many challenges we face also. Number one, the weather, the stress, going to school, and all the rest. Yeah, there are so many challenges here.
Oh, okay. Okay, nice one. So, you've been in Philippines to study. I can see this little beautiful girl in front of you.
Yeah.
Who is she?
It's my daughter.
Oh, okay, that's your daughter.
Yeah.
How come?
Yeah, because I find someone love here.
Oh, okay. And I believe your parents brought you here to study, but you found a love.
Yeah, of course. Sometimes it happens in life. When you reach the time, the age of getting married or having a family, if you have what it takes, you can settle down. No matter what's your capacity, you can be studying and also have a family.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it happens.
Okay, so you being in the Philippines, are Filipino racist?
Actually, I can say some, not all.
okay.
Likewise, other countries, there are many that. So there are some here that are racist.
Oh, okay. Okay. So I can see you are in a relationship with one kid.
Yeah.
How is the challenges in within?
Well, not really easy like that. When it comes to marital affairs, there are some issues, but as a grown-up man, you have to handle it with, passion and every other thing, and you have to undergo the process. Due to that there will be challenges in marriages, but you have to keep calm and follow the procedures in order not to lead to violence.
Oh, okay. So I want to ask you, you have a family. How do you support your family?
Yeah, there is good. When in terms of supporting my family, I have some other business running with my wife. We have some other business running with my. So if I can make a profit from there, then through there I can also give them.
Oh, okay.
So that they can also be able to feed or something like that, just to support. But they are not really expecting anything because they know that I'm already a student.
Oh, okay.
So from the little profit we made, we can also support them to show an appreciation what they did. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, okay, talking about work, how is the Philippines?
It's not really to get easy. It's not easy to get work here, due to they know that already that foreigners. It's not easy to get work here.
Oh, okay.
So there's no work here for foreigners.
But you have a business, or the
Yeah,
business doesn't belong to you?
No, it doesn't belong to me because we can register with my wife's name.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, so that through her we can be doing the business.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice one, nice one. So that means through your wife, you can own a business here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice
yeah,
one.
sure.
Okay. So you've been in the Philippines, and like having a family in the Philippines, is it hard?
Not really hard. Not really hard having a family here. If you have what it takes to care for the family, it's not really hard.
Oh, okay.
And if you find someone that understands you and you understand her, I think it's very simple.
Oh, okay.
Very simple, yeah.
Okay, so you having a business in the Philippines, do you think work will favor foreigners in the Philippines?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because even Philippines, some also lack jobs, and it's not really easy for them.
Oh, okay.
There are no more job vacancies.
Oh, okay. So, if someone is watching you out there, what kind of advice will you give to the person in terms of work?
For my own advice, I can tell if someone is planning to come here in Philippines, basically the person should prepare for studies and also backup from the family to support him or her coming staying here. I know things are costly, but if you have some backup that can also give you some aid, and I think that will go a long way. But in terms of coming here to work, I think no, it's not possible because there's no work here for foreigners.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But there is business around.
Yeah, there's business around that you can register with your wife. Through your wife, you can have a business permit here.
Oh, okay.
That
So that means without your wife, you can't have a business here.
Without, in my own aspect and in my own understanding, without a wife, it's impossible for you to strive and get a business permit because you must have a family here or you must have a wife here before you get all those requirements. To your wife, you can register and it will be easy for you to get the requirement needed for you to have a
okay.
business.
Okay, so if I can say it this way, I mean, you have to get someone before you can, you have to get a Filipina or a Filipino before you can own a business in this country.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So, okay, so you have been in this country for some time now. You've dated, like you are in a relationship with a kid. How is dating life in the Philippines? How is it like?
Mostly, I'm not saying it to maybe to hurt the girls, but I can say it's almost all the world because before you date a girl, you must have something financial to support. You know, it's not really easy to find love here because mostly all they need is support. They need support. But if you find someone that understands you, even though you have or not, whether she have also, as long as both others agreed and understand each other, I think it will not be hard. But if you meet someone that what she want is financial, I think you may have some kind of feelings that they are after your money or something like that.
Okay. Okay. So, so you were brought here to study,
Yeah.
but all of a sudden, you had a family. Does it mean your wife was your classmate in school?
Not really my classmates. We just found on the way. I was just going on my own when I met her, so I have to stop and talk to her. So we exchange contacts. So from there, love carry on.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Yeah.
And mind blowing because you know sometimes I feel like it is very hard sometimes I feel like it's very hard to confront a Filipina, to talk to the Filipina like maybe you want to court the person or you want to date the person. It's very hard.
Yeah, really.
So I'm wondering how you met your wife and you were able to talk to her to get her attention and love, or you understand what I mean?
Yeah, I understand.
So
Yeah, sure.
how did it come? Like how did you do that?
You know, sometimes when you really meet your soulmate, your life partner, it will look so easy. You know,
Okay.
even me, sometimes I think it's very hard to meet a girl, stop a girl, you talk to her, she agreed, maybe exchange numbers. But mine, it works like miraculous. I was scared to maybe approach her in the initial time, but I just have the courage to talk to her. Luckily to me, she accepts. So I think I found the real one.
Nice one, nice one.
Yeah.
Okay, so where in the Philippines have you been so far?
I've been to Pangasinan, Baguio, Manila, Nueve, and other places.
Oh, okay. And what are the experience?
The experience is good. Likewise, in Baguio, there is very cool and it's like a tourist center.
Oh,
You
okay.
can have fun there, go many places, meet new friends.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, was it any challenges when you were traveling around?
Not really, no challenges.
Oh, okay. Okay, nice one.
Yeah.
So, you are having a Filipino relationship or a Filipino family. Um, do you eat Filipino foods?
Yeah, I do eat Filipino food. Yeah.
How is it like?
It tastes good. It tastes good. It's
Oh,
good.
okay.
Yeah.
So, what's your favorite Filipino food?
Chicken adobo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, chicken
Nice
adobo.
one. Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice one. Okay, so um, someone is watching you out there. How is life in the Philippines? If someone wants to come to the Philippines,
It's good. If the person wants to come, make sure you have what it takes, especially financially. Yeah. If the person wants to come, yeah, it's a welcome country. They are good. Their hospitality, and also the people I have met so far, they are good to me. They are so
Mm.
nice.
nice one, nice one.
Yeah.
So you are having a Filipino family, and I know definitely your beautiful daughter is going to grow up to speak Tagalog.
Yeah.
Do you understand Tagalog yourself?
Just a little bit. Little bit.
What are some of the basic words that you understand?
Mostly before you any country, all over the world, in any place you go, first what you will learn is I can say the bad words first to understand the bad
Yeah.
word. In case someone insults you, yeah, also learn the good one also. Like I can say, Mahakita, I love you.
Yeah.
Sayan, where are you going? Kaina, come and eat. Yeah, all those. There's so
Nice
many.
one, nice one,
Yeah.
nice one. You really. Okay, so if someone is watching you back home or outside Philippines, and the person wants to come to the Philippines to study or to work, what kind of advice will you give to this person?
We tell the person always prepare and have a financial backup that can aid you to stay here and also to support you always, because no work here, there is no work here. You have to have someone who is maybe your family or your guidance, anyone who can support you always anytime you have a need.
So, will you advise someone to come to this country to marry and stay here?
Yeah, depends. Everyone have choice. Depends.
Okay.
Maybe I may pass through it in a relationship or in a marriage, and it goes well to me. But others may come and they fail. So it depends where your mind leads you.
Okay.
You may marry here and you enjoy your marriage, or you may also marry here and you have a clash. So it depends on someone's choice.
Okay. Nice one. Okay, so yeah, so I learned you are doing comedy.
Yeah, I found passion in that.
Oh, okay, nice one.
Yeah.
So what kind of comedy do you do? Stand-up
Just,
comedy or which one?
just to make entertain people, makes people laugh. Maybe when you are not busy, you can use that just to keep people entertained.
Stress relief.
Yes, yeah, you can say
Oh,
that.
okay, nice one, nice one. Okay, so do you put your comedy on YouTube?
Yeah, I do put them there.
Oh, okay. So what's your YouTube channel name?
Emmanuel Ozachi.
Oh, okay. Can you spell it for us for it to be very simple for Filipinos to subscribe for you?
Yeah, Emmanuel.
Okay, Emmanuel.
Uzochi, yeah. Then Uzochi is Uzochi.
Oh, okay.
Uzochi, yeah.
Okay, so guys, please subscribe to his channel and support him because he has a wife and definitely they are going to do some collaboration, which is going to be interesting. He's very funny and he does comedy. So please support him and follow him so that we can get him moving also. So finally, are you a footballer?
Yeah, I do play ball.
Oh, okay. What position?
I play middle striker.
Oh, okay. Midfield,
Yeah,
striking.
midfield, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So in this world we have two great footballers in the world. We have Messi. We have Ronaldo. Who will you choose?
I can say both of them. They are good in their own field. They are
okay.
good. Yeah. But if you ask me to
Yeah.
choose one, I may say Messi is there. Messi is
okay.
a great man.
Okay, nice one.
Yeah.
Okay, so you go for Messi.
Yeah.
Okay, so I would like to end this video here. But before I end this video, do you have any shout out to give to anybody out there?
Yeah. Yeah. My family.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My friends also.
And which people?
Both my family here and my family in my countries. My friends here also
Oh,
in
okay.
Philippines.
Okay, nice one.
Yeah.
So, do you have any social media handles to give it out if someone wants to contact you?
Yeah, I have Instagram.
For any business advice or anything?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have my Instagram account, my Twitter, my Facebook page as well.
So, which one are you giving out?
I get my Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, just it's simple. User text only.
What?
User text.
Ozo text.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ozo text. Okay. So, before I end this video, I would like you to speak in your language that they should subscribe to my channel. Yeah.
Okay. You can. What's the name in your YouTube channel?
Prince One.
Prince One.
PRYNS1.
Okay, that you say that in my country
Sure.
language.
Yeah.
Okay. Ndị ọma na-ege ntị, m ga-like ka unu subscribe na YouTube channel ya Prince One. So you gaa na YouTube, gị click ya, then gị search aha ya there. Ị ga-ahụ ya, then gị subscribe. Subscription n'efu, a na-akwụ ụgwọ na subscription. So udo dịrị unu.
Nice one. Nice one. Okay. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince again. Give some likes and some comments so that we can get it moving. Peace out.